Damn it. There we go. Because I had to cut it because I don't know, but now let's see. There we go. Okay. Ooh, we got the Oculus on. Now let me see. Is it already open? Yeah. Let's see. It ain't opening no more. Let me take this out. Let me see. Can I get some light? Let me see if I can get some light. There we go. And there go the inside. I gotta take that thing out. So hold on. Okay, so we got a manual. Look at this. Let's see if I can get this manual out. Shit. Hold on, let me get it out. Okay, there's your manual. That's a little manual. Let me see. Won't do it. There's really not nothing in here. Let's get back to this thing. So, yeah, so if you're going to take this with you, I mean, man, this is more going to be some carry-on stuff. Carry-on. To carry on. Or if you could put it in your luggage. If you can put it in your luggage. I mean, look how big this thing is. So that's how you put the, what you call it? Matter of fact, let's try that. Hold on. Okay, let me see if I can do this. Let's see which one. Which one can I use? I'm looking for, I think it's this. Let me see. What the hell? Oh, it's still recording, but I got the light on. Oh, okay. There we go. Let me see, is it set in right? It looked like it could be some set in. No, it's not set in right. Hold on. This is a struggle to hold the camera and then do this. Oh, here we go. I think. Oh, yeah, you're supposed to get this thing in here. Hold up, I'm looking at it. It looks like it has to go in like that. And then let me see if the other one will fit. Hold on. That's the best as I'm going to get. Now we're going to see if we can put the Oculus in there like this. Because if you can't, then, because I know it'll sell clothes with it, but well, the Oculus, Oculus, what am I saying? Quest will fit. So let me see if let's bring the Quest in. We'll see if it'll fit. Okay, so it do fit. It do fit with the way the things are. See? Look at that. They fit I know my straps are dirty. My straps are dirty. So, close it. Got your little Oculus on, and then you zip it up. take it with you. Oh shit, take it with you when you're going places or going on the road and stuff. You got your Oculus. Now, I think you can put your charger. You gotta get a charger. Because you got some space here. You got your little pouch right here. So you put your wire here and stuff. A charging thing and stuff. So you got this ready to go. Boom. I wanted this because my Oculus is sitting around and I don't want it to get dusty and stuff. So I was just like, I'm buying this thing. So I bought it for about $37. I gotta pay that $37 back to Best Buy. So, yep, this is it. I know my straps are dirty because I've been rocking it and stuff. You got you know. I need to buy a pack of batteries for these things and stuff. So you close it. Boom. There you go. So that's it, y'all.